Hello students of Standard 8. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpadode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have learned about the rules and laws and again the general information, general points about the constitution. So we have learned in that online sessions. Okay students, today we'll start the new subtopic, need of constitution. Okay, let's start. Students, with respect to the physical, cultural and social diversities, India is a vast country. Listen students, India is a vast country with the various physical, cultural and social diversities. Different people belonging to different regions. Student, listen. Different people belonging to the different region who speak different languages, have a very different lifestyle, different beliefs and actions. That means among them there is some diversities, but they have a many things in common. Listen students, some things may among them in a common. Okay, that means they are surviving with a many common things also, but a maximum diversities among them. Okay students, so they may or may not agree on all the issues related to the country and the related to the governance. Okay students, the people of India may or may not agree on all the issues, so that's why the constitution provides a set of rules, principles and laws acceptable to almost all on the basis of life and governance of country. Listen students, on the basis of life and governance of country, the constitution provides a set of rules, principles and laws acceptable to almost all for the proper facilitation and the administration and the proper governance of a country. Okay students, so in such a way that we can say that the constitution is a multi-purpose document which focus to our needs, requirements and the future aspiration. Okay students, some points are given in front of you. Okay, first, second, third and these points just given in front of you. Listen students, to meet these requirements, to meet these points, to facilitate, to provide that properly all to all these needs properly, so Indian constitution is required, Indian constitution is a needed to us. Okay students, then for the proper facilitating, for the proper providing to meet that all to all requirements, Indian constitution is required to us. Listen students, first point, define the nature of a country's political system. Students, for the proper facilitation of the country's political system, Indian constitution is a very essential to us. According to the rules and regulation, according to recommendation of the constitution, our country's political system is going on nowadays in front of us. Just we are observing, Indian government policies and the strategies, so that all to all are going on due to the constitution. So that's why for that constitution is needed. Okay so second point, provide the significant guidelines. Provide a significant guidelines, that means provide the certain significant guidelines that help in a decision making within a democratic setup. For the providing proper significant guidelines for the decision making with a democratic setup, for that Indian constitution is required. Third one students, lays down the rules and provide the safeguards. Lays down the rules and provide safeguards against the misuse of power and abuse of the authority which leads to gross justice by those in power. Students, lays down rules and provide the safeguards to the people against the misuse of powers by the leaders, by the representative of the people. So that's why for the safeguarding of guideline, provide the safeguard, provide the significant guidelines to the people of India. So this is caused due to the constitution. So that's why constitution is a very essential to us. Next point students, guarantees the certain rights. Yes, constitution has given to everyone a lot of individual rights. So for the guarantees, for the safeguard of that all to all individual rights, Indian constitution is required. So in such a way that Indian constitution play an important role to safeguard, to provide the significant guideline, to provide the proper safety to everyone. It is a very essential. Next point students, ensure the majority groups. Ensure the majority groups means what? Just ensure that majority group does not dominate the minorities, does not dominated the minorities. So for that purpose also constitution is required. Ensure the minority groups, again the guards on a national interest, not allow the dictatorial and biased decisions. That means students, don't allow the dictatorial or the bias, that means discrimination based on the sex. biased decisions which may change the very basic structure of the constitution. So in such a way that for that all purpose, for that all entire things, Indian constitution is required for the proper facilitation, for focus to our needs, requirements and the future aspiration. Indian constitution is a very essential to us. Indian constitution plays an important role for the essential and for the crucial role in a democratic societies toward the achievement of the desired goal. So in such a way that for required for these points, for these things, for to meet these requirements, Indian constitution is required. Indian constitution is very essential to us. Okay students, today we will learn about the need of constitution. So for that purpose, for that requirement, for that exercising things, Indian constitution is need. So in a simple language we can say that for the proper facilitation in our country, that means constitution, that is for the proper guideline, for the proper safeguard, for the proper entire things for safeguarding, for the guarding or national interest and the other things, it is a very essential to us. Okay students, on the basis of today's content, one assignment question I am giving you, and this question is in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question. Remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Okay students, thank you very much.